In this video, we're going to look at how to quickly extract images in our Word document. Oftentimes, a client will send an article that contains the images, and we need to save these out for moving to a web page. So we're going to go to File, Save As, and in File Format, we're going to choose Web Page, .htm, Save, make sure you know where the location is, and now you'll find a folder that contains these images. And as you can see, it saved it out as a .jpeg or a PNG. The PNG does appear to be smaller in preview. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.